Hey guys, so today I'm out here in the rain and I got this 95-ish Crown Vic or Grand Marquis. It's a 4.6 and I'm going to be showing you how to replace a starter. It's going to be a really quick overview and it's almost like my own little personal video saying, hey Jordan, remember these positions and exact tools if you have to do this again. And this is going to save you, it'll save me like 30-40 minutes. And as always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best price on tools and parts. So I'm gonna walk you through this really quick. Alright, of course, first thing you're gonna want to do, go ahead, disconnect your negative. It's an 8. Go ahead and set it off to the side. Then we're going to come under this nice little tent area so I don't get rained on. And up under here, we're gonna have our starter, and I'm going to show you, I've already put mine in. I might even be able to show you all the bolts. But that is the new starter. It's three 10mm bolts holding it in. And guys, it's near impossible for me to show you these bolts. I might be able to stick it up in here or not. Okay, yeah, you can see. That's actually the top bolt. I've got that one started. And that is the second, that's the middle bolt. And then coming down, that is that bolt. You can also kind of just look at your new starter and see where they're at, but they're three pretty symmetrical. So here we go as far as what do we use for each position. All right, so the middle bolt, okay? And typically I save the easiest bolt for last, that way you can finger take off the upper two. So the middle bolt, okay, stubby, pin on, okay? So you're gonna take the stubby with the 10 and you're gonna work your way up onto that middle bolt. I say stubby 10 on because a lot of times what I like to do is I'll put the socket on and then see if I can get the ratchet on it. So note to self, put the 10 on the stubby before you even go up there. Okay, so that's how I got to the middle one, and you can break it loose and tighten it with that. These are 10s, so even like the easy one, just still tighten it up with the stubby. The next one I had, where's my setup? I had this right here, so it's like a 1 inch and then maybe like a 2 or 3 inch. And what I did is first I put the extension and the socket on the top bolt, okay? And then I came up with my little wrench ratchet, and I worked my wrench ratchet up and then stuck it in that hole, I believe with my right hand, and got the head on with my left hand, or vice versa. But that is the way I was able to break that top one loose. Then once it's loose, you're gonna use the extension like, oh, and it has to be a deep one also, but you're gonna use this extension like a screwdriver. So that is the methods I used. Also, one more thing that will trip Jordan Young up. It might not trip you guys up, but again, this video, I want to save you time on this job. You can go ahead and take the little wire off. This 13 has to come off for the starter to come out and drop out. And you have to use a wrench. You cannot get a ratchet and socket on it. So wrench it off. And then also, another little fun fact, this wire will go off and come on with the starter mounted. So there you go. That is all of the little techniques I used to do this. And if I had watched this video before I did this project, it has saved me about 30-40 minutes. So thanks for watching. See y'all next time.